Hi, I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors, and this is a small part of our range of stake sleeper brackets. We have a range of about 100 brackets that is always growing, so we're always developing new shapes, sizes, models that are going to help with any sort of project with sleepers or garden projects with wood. We have 10 sizes of screws that work very well with our sleeper brackets. They're our own brand, and we do them in stainless steel, which are ideally used for when you're using oak sleepers. The tools you're going to need is just a drill or an impact driver. So the screws do come with the tip you need. You can put them into a drill and simply you screw the screws in. You don't need to drill a pilot hole. Or modern tool, impact driver. They make the job much easier than a drill. Don't forget your hammer, tape measure, string line and a pencil, and you should easily be able to complete your project. This is our classic staked railway sleeper bracket. We do this in brown and black, and this is our galvanised version. We manufacture this in the UK, and as we have been for the last 8 years. So before you purchase, you need to decide how many you need. I recommend using 1 per metre of your install, and always on the joints. So make sure your wood's nice and level. Obviously you might be on mud or grass or anything. Ideally what you want to do under your sleepers, you want to dig out a little bit and put some crushed concrete or MOT type 1. It's a stone gravel, and that will drain the water away from the bottom of the sleepers. So as I said, 1 per metre and always on the joints. These sleepers are only 1 metre long, so 1 on each joint is fine. So you're simply going to run a string line on your project and hold that strong. These are level, got the string line, and you simply bang that in. So we bang the bracket into the ground, it's at a nice position, and then we take our sleeper screws, we can take the driver bit, we're going to use an impact driver, install that in. If you don't have one of these, you can use a drill. You don't need to pilot drill, that will magnetic in. This is a 65mm variant. We can put some extra screws there, that's going to make our life easier when we're working. And simply take the impact driver, put it in forward, hold the bracket, hold the sleeper, and start slow with some pressure. And there you go, it holds it in there really nicely. We're going to repeat that for the next 3 holes and then do 1 bracket every metre. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any queries or you need some help with your project, feel free to contact us. Just give us a call. We'll gladly help you through your project and to what brackets you need. Remember, this is just a small example, and we do have a range of over 100, and it's always growing at all times.